How do I change boot order for Ubuntu installation? Imagine you're about to install Ubuntu on your computer, but it just won't start from your USB or DVD. You might need to change the boot order to fix that. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, you need to access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. When you turn on your computer, press the key that opens these settings. Common keys are F2, F10, ESC, or Del, but it depends on your computer's brand. You might see a message during startup telling you which key to press. Once you're in the BIOS or UEFI menu, look for a section called Boot, Boot Options, or Boot Order. This is where your computer decides which device to start from first. Now, you want to set your USB drive or DVD as the first device in the list. Use the arrow keys or instructions on the screen to move your installation media to the top. This way, your computer will try to boot from it first. After setting the correct boot device, save your changes. Usually, pressing F10 or selecting Save and Exit will do the trick. Your computer will restart, and if everything is set correctly, it will boot from the USB or DVD containing Ubuntu. If you have a newer system with UEFI firmware and multiple operating systems like Windows and Ubuntu, you can also manage boot order through the FI Boot Manager. You might need to use tools like the command line program called fbootinger in Linux to change the boot sequence. Alternatively, some systems allow you to change the FI boot order directly in the UEFI settings menu. Remember, managing the boot order is essential for installing Ubuntu because it ensures your system boots from the installation media instead of your current operating system. Once you've set the boot order properly, you can proceed with the Ubuntu installation smoothly. Keep in mind that, after installing Ubuntu, you might want to change the boot order back to prioritize your main operating system or manage dual boot options. This process helps you control which system starts up first and makes your Linux installation experience much easier.